Welcome to the listening window. Today's story is called The Call I Wasn't Supposed to Answer. This story is written in clear, natural English to help you practice your listening and speaking skills. As always, you can download the full script, vocabulary list, quiz, answer key, and bonus prompt using the link in the description. IT was one of those evenings where everything felt strangely quiet. I had just finished washing the dishes, the TV was off, and the only sound in the apartment was the ticking of the old clock my grandmother gave me years ago. I sat down with a cup of tea and glanced at my phone. No notifications, no messages, just peace. I should have known that peace never lasts. At 8:17 p.m. exactly, my phone rang. I didn't recognize the number. No caller ID, no country code, just a string of digits I didn't recognize. I hesitated. Normally, I wouldn't answer. But something made me tap the green button. Hello? I said a little cautiously. There was silence on the other end, followed by a crackle, like someone adjusting an old radio. Then a soft voice, almost a whisper. Is this Anna? Yes, who's this? You don't know me, the voice said. But I know you. And I need to tell you something. Something about your sister. My heart stopped. My sister, Emily, had passed away in a car accident 3 years ago. A drunk driver hit her car at an intersection. It was sudden, devastating. We never got to say goodbye. This isn't funny, I said sharply. Who is this? I'm sorry, the voice replied. Please don't hang up. I don't have much time. I was there, that night. I stood up from the couch, holding my phone tightly. What do you mean you were there? I was the one who called the ambulance. I was walking my dog when I saw the crash. But I didn't stay. I panicked. I ran. My mind was racing. I had always wondered why the police never found a witness. It was a hit and run. The driver had fled the scene and no one came forward. Why now? I whispered. Why are you calling me after all this time? I've been trying to forget, the voice said. But I saw her. Your sister. She said your name before she closed her eyes. Tell Anna I'm sorry. That's what she said. I didn't know what it meant, but I thought you should know. I was frozen. My tea was cold now, forgotten on the table. Sorry for what? I asked. The line went quiet. Hello? Are you there? Yes, the voice returned. That's why I called. I found something. A letter. It was in my coat pocket, but I don't remember putting it there. It's addressed to you. That doesn't make sense. You didn't know me. I know. That's why I'm scared. Where are you calling from? I asked. There was a pause. I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? And then the line disconnected. I sat there, staring at my phone for what felt like hours. I tried calling the number back. Nothing. Not even a dial tone. I felt a chill run down my spine. The next morning, I received a small envelope in the mail. No return address. Inside was a folded piece of paper. IT was Emily's handwriting, IT said. I'm sorry I took the car that night. I wasn't supposed to. Tell Mom I forgive her. I dropped the paper. My hands were shaking. How is this possible? Emily didn't own a car. The police told us she was hit crossing the street, but she wasn't. She was driving. I ran to the closet, pulled out the box of her belongings. There it was, her car key. I had never noticed it before. Suddenly, everything changed. The story we were told was wrong. Emily had been driving someone else's car. She hadn't just been a victim, and the person who hit her, maybe they weren't a stranger after all. The next day, I visited my mother. Did you know Emily was driving that night? I asked her. She froze. Her face turned pale. No, she said. But her eyes told me she was lying. Mom, what are you not telling me? And that's when she broke. She cried. For the first time in years, she came home that night, she said. Before the accident. We argued. I told her she couldn't see him anymore. See who? That boy. The one who worked at the cafe near her school. His name was Leo. I didn't like him. She said she was going to run away with him. I told her she'd regret it. So Emily had stormed out, taken someone's car, and never came back. I left my mother's house in a daze. My whole memory of Emily had just shifted. All these years, I thought she had been in the wrong place at the wrong time. But she had made a choice. A desperate one. That night, my phone rang again. Same number. I answered. She forgives you, the voice said. Who is this? But the call ended again. I never heard from them again. But sometimes, late at night, I sit by the window with a cup of tea and I wait. Just in case the phone rings again. Just in case Emily still has something to say.